him on the Facebook. Yes, you have. Snapchat God.
Yes, sir!
Snapchat God.
Yeah!
Yes, yes. It's Black Jesus. Black Jesus. All right, Black Jesus. Now, mothers, fathers, babies and sisters, know him, this man, Black Jesus, as Johnson Clark. Let's go! Drop that, Mills. Black Jesus is here. Black Jesus is here. Chicken and watermelon.
Yum, yum!
Chicken and watermelon.
Yum, yum!
All right. All right. Thank you, Mills. Thank you, Mills, DJ Mills. My man killed it. Mills, you killed it. Oh, boy, you killed it. I tell you right, Mills. Put out a mixtape, brother. Put out a mixtape. I won't buy it. I won't buy it. But my boy will buy it. My boy Angelo, I love him, man. I love him. That's my brother. That's my brother. He buys every album that comes out. He buys every album. He can't wait. He reads up on them. He's excited. I can't do it. I don't even got a job. I just quit my job. I can't do it. If I can get it for free, I'm gonna get it for free. There's no sense of me going to buy CDs. Ain't no sense. I've seen the music videos. I've heard the songs. Woke up in a new Bugatti. New Bugatti? That's $2-3 million. I got an Ultimate. It don't even start all the time. You know what I mean? It don't even start all the time. My headlights don't work all the time. If it rains, I don't got windshield wipers. You guys think I'm playing? Try to get in my car. No car door handles. I'm struggling, man. I can't support the artists. They gotta support me. Nah, they support me. He said support them, Johnson. They need it. They need my $11.99. They need it. Nah, I can't do it. When Kanye starts paying for my school loans, when Jay-Z starts putting golden tickets in the albums, then I'll support the artists. I'll be the biggest fan. Go to all the shows, get all the albums. Till then, I can't do it. Okay? They told me I had to talk about it. They said, don't talk about this, Johnson. It's played out. Everyone already talked about it. You know, there's nothing else you can say about it. It's old news. It's not old news. I'm going to say it. Jay-Z and Solange? Ooh! Y'all saw the video. I know you saw the video. Solange got moves. Ooh! She was dancing. That light is too hot, brother. I'm gonna sweat like 30 pounds off. Turn that light off right now. I can't do it. Leave here darker than I came. Can't do it. Take that light off. Thank you. My God. Y'all hate me up there. Jeez. Anyways, Jay-Z and Solange was dancing with him. Dancing with him, throwing jabs, kicks, spinning back kicks. I was like, wow. Look at those combinations. I'm looking at Jay-Z. I'm like, Jay, what are you gonna do? But then that's when I started thinking. She ain't doing damage, but she's landing shots. If she's landing shots, she's accumulating points. If I'm Jay-Z, I'm thinking, my bouncer ain't shit. I'm going on Craigslist right then and there, going on Craigslist, posting an ad, looking for new bodyguard. This guy can't hang, can't do it. You guys heard about this? Listen, I don't even know this guy's name, but I know the story. That's good enough. You know what I mean? I just know the story. The Wu-Tang Clan affiliate. Y'all know about this? He got high, cut off his dick, jumped out the window. This is a true story, people. Listen, I'm not even making this up. Y'all can go home and Google it. Y'all can go home and Google it. Got high, cut off his dick, jumped out a window? What? You think I'm playing? He did that. That's why I had to stop. I used to smoke. I can't smoke no more. I don't do that no more. I did stupid stuff when I was high. Stupid, dumb stuff. Dumb stuff. Dumb stuff. Y'all ever eat a turkey sandwich with peanut butter? A peanut butter and turkey sandwich? Y'all ever had that? I had a loaf full of peanut butter and turkey sandwiches. Ate every single one. I licked all my fingers, even the left hand. I don't even eat my left hand. I lick my left hand. I don't even know why. I used to watch dumb shows. I used to watch the dumbest shows. Y'all seen Ice Road Truckers? Yeah. Oh, I know one. Y'all seen Ice Road Truckers? Y'all ever seen Ice? Yeah. Y'all never seen. You ever seen Ice Road Truckers Marathon? I watched 3 hours of Ice Road Truckers. 3 straight. It wasn't until I came down I realized Ice Road Truckers is the same thing every episode. Let me give you 3 seasons of Ice Road Truckers right now. It snows. Snow accumulates. The road gets slippery. Truck slips, gets stuck in a snowbank. Cut, print, next episode. No. Ready. It snows. Snow accumulates. The road gets slippery. Truck slips, gets stuck in a snowbank. It wasn't until hours later I realized this is the same street, the same truck, the same driver. Like, what? I can't. I just couldn't. I can't do it no more. I can't do it. You know what show I hate? You know what show I can't stand? Y'all seen Catfish? Catfish, the stupidest show on TV. What makes me mad about Catfish is Catfish been on TV like 3-4 seasons. People still getting catfished. How dumb you gotta be to still get catfished after 3-4 seasons? Oh, you couldn't catfish me. Couldn't do it. You could never catfish me. Can't do it. Matter of fact, I'm not even accepting friends on Facebook no more. I'm not even it's not just me. I know it's not just me. You know how I know it's not just me? Because there's people in here right now. I friend requested that haven't accepted me yet. Shook my hand and everything. Congratulations, Johnson. Good luck, buddy. I'm like, when are you going to accept me? And I'm like, come on, don't play me. I know y'all in here. All right. You can't catfish me. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not accepting nobody. You know, I'll accept like 2 or 3 people. Then right there, I close the float doors. I close the doors, and that's it. I check people, you know, I'm like, all right, maybe I'll accept you. I take a look at the profile. If you got less than 50 friends on Facebook, I'm not accepting you. If you got 3 or 4 profile pictures, no cover photo, I'm not accepting you. If you got no comments, no likes, like nobody talking to you, no catfish, I'm not accepting you. I'm not. People on Catfish say the same thing. You ready? I loved him. He was so sweet. I could feel his emotions through the text. He really loved me. I live in the same town, but I could never meet up. We're so busy. Stupid. You're dumb. You're real dumb. Real dumb. I know. I can't believe that. I got a good friend of mine. I haven't seen him in a while. Well, I mean, I saw him a little bit ago, not too long ago. About a month ago or so. Needed a new phone, went to see him. And he lives in Brockton. He wanted to come tonight, but he don't got a job either. He don't got a car either. He said, Johnson, pick me up. I said, no, not with these gas prices. Can't do it. You in Brockton, brother. This is going to be videos. I'll send you a video. It's like the same thing. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Went to see him about a month ago. Needed a new phone. First thing he says to me, yo, Jay. He's kind of weird like that, by the way. Like he doesn't, he paces a lot. He like that. And his house ain't even that big, so I don't know how he does it. He's like, yo, Jay, I'm selling a bike. I'm like, where? I mean, I don't know how. A motorcycle license. I don't know how to ride or nothing, but I'll take a look at it. What you got? What? Suzuki, a Yamaha? What you got? He goes, nah, it's a Huffy. A Huffy? I'm 25. I knew what a Huffy for. This is what got me. It's the way he pitched the whole situation. Like he gave me the car fast. I'm trying to sell me a car. You know? Come look at it, Johnson. Come look at it. Here it is right here. Look at the seat. That's real leather. Take a look at it. Look at these chains. Well greased, no rust. Take a look at it. What you think, Johnson? What you think about it? Yo, Johnson, you get the bike? I'll throw in the peg. The pegs! I'm 25. I don't need nothing with pegs. I don't want to be pegged. I don't want girls named Peggy. I want nothing with pegs. I like him though. I respect him a lot. Because me and him, we different. A lot. We're really different. Very different. We click. You know what I mean? I what I like about him is it's not a street cred. I don't know how else to say it, not sound corny, but he has a street cred. He's gangster. You know what I mean? He's a thug. You know what I mean? When he says stuff, people listen. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm different. Y'all don't respect me. I mean, I say stuff, y'all like, Johnson, yeah, like whatever. You know? I'm Mr. Hey, howdy, how's it going? What a nice day. It's so beautiful out here. Look at the Crescentias. Oh my God, they're beautiful. I'm no sweet cred, you know? That's why I take pride in minor. I take pride in minor black victories. Let me explain what that is to me. Minor black victories. A couple of months ago.
You good?
This is a long time ago, and I still remember. That's how big of a deal this was to me. A couple of months ago, I'm at Drink, having a good time.
Yeah.
I'm mingling, I'm doing my bang. You already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? I've been going to the gym, so you already know. And I'm having a great time, having a couple drinks, you know what I mean? Having a good time, a couple drinks. And I took a little time from dance floor, whatever, went to the bathroom. Waiting to use the bathroom, and 4 people behind me, you know? And I'm waiting, out of nowhere. This guy comes flying in straight to the stall. Listen, I've been drinking, so I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I said, hey so loud. I started with my damn self. Like I shook. I was like, oh shit. That was pretty deep. He shook too. His knees buckled a little bit. Oh, I didn't see you standing there. What are you, waiting to use the bathroom? That's a stupid question. That's a stupid question. No, I'm making sure everybody washes their hands. Did you check it? No, that's a dumb question. That's a dumb question. He shakes a little bit. He says, all right, buddy, I'm sorry. Goes to the end of the line. This never happened to me before. Because if it was me, if I said that to y'all, you'd just be like, oh, that's Johnson. Straight to the stuff. But he don't know me. He does not know me. I could be from gangland. I could have been on cops yesterday. He don't know that. He don't know that. So he goes to the back. Me, I'm feeling like a G. I stroll in the store like this. You know what I mean? You were there. Oh my God, he was so scared of you. Only if you know. Only if you know. Oh my God. Manned up, took a step back, left back. He's still in the line. I'm out of the gym. You know what I mean? Don't break character. He's scared of you right now. You got him. You own that. I'm smiling. I'm happy as shit. Get back to my friends. They're looking at me. Johnson, why are you smiling? Why are you so happy? Johnson, why are you smiling? Why are you so happy? Johnson, why are you smiling? Why are you so happy? This brings me to my next point. Don't get offended here, but white people so nosy. Not you guys. No. Not the ones here. No. Y'all good. Y'all came to see my show. Y'all came to support me. Y'all good. Oh, I love all y'all. All y'all. Everyone. Oh, see, I'm losing fans already. All y'all. I love every single one of y'all. But my neighbors? Oh, they're so nosy. They want to know everything. How's school? Did you graduate? Notice your lights were on late last night. You having trouble sleeping? That's why you're not bringing in groceries. You guys eat a lot. What? Where are you working now? Are they hiring? You're retired. What do you care for hiring now? I mean, I don't say all that because I don't want to promote Donald Sterling behavior. So I don't say all that. I don't even say all that. I just shake my head and nod. You know, I can shake my head and nod. They're good people, though. They're good people.
Tell us what's up.
Hold up here. This is easy. This is actually a new workout, the comedian workout. Time y'all up here pacing back and forth and stuff, just losing weight. You know what I mean? But yeah. Let me see where the couples are at right now. If you brought, your little thing, your shorty, your boo-boo, you came with wife, you came with hubby, make some noise. Okay, that was so aggressive. I almost want to stay single. If you came with hubby, you came with... There's some of you up here, I didn't see nothing from y'all. Timmy, I see you just standing. If you came with hubby, you came with wife, make some noise. I'm looking forward to that. I can't wait for that. That's awesome. Can't wait to have some of that.
Yeah, that's right there, boy.
Yeah. I have a question. Every now and then in your relationship, you know what I mean? Your wifey or your girl, you might say, let's spruce things up. Let's mix it up, let's spice it up a little bit. You know what I mean? That usually means I'm gonna bring a friend over tonight. or we're gonna play with toys. I played with toys one time. played with toys one time. I did something real bad. I said, never again. I'm never doing that again. I was an experience, and I'm never doing that again. And before I say anything, I didn't realize it was gay until after I did it. Hours after I did it, I was like, man, that was really gay. Wow. So, okay, we're hanging out, we're doing our thing. Having a good time, you know what I'm saying? Things are getting a little naughty, you know what I'm saying? Having fun, things going good. She says, Johnson, reach in the drawer and get dipped. I'm like, dill? I don't want no sandwiches right now. So, no, get dill. Open the drawer, I saw what dill was. I was like, oh, okay, let's see what's going on here. But I made it straight that I'm not gonna call this thing Dill. This is Dylan. I'm not gonna be on nickname basis with this thing. Like, me and him are friends or nothing like that, you know what I mean? So I was like, I'll grab Dylan, that's what's up. Is it dildo? And I didn't want to say all that. There are kids here.
Come on, girl.
Sorry, I'm back. But yeah, I'm a little immature. I'm immature, so I grabbed it. I was like, on guard. Yeah. Settle down. Get over here. I'm doing my thing. Okay. I didn't mean to do this. I'm just saying. I didn't mean to do this. I'm doing my thing. And I just realized things getting mad dry, so I just went.
Oh shit.
Yo, y'all been great. Thank you so much for coming out, man. I really appreciate it. Y'all showed me so much love. Thank you for coming out. All the support. Have a great night. Wow. DJ Mills in the building. Go ahead, DJ. Sing a bang bang.
They should know who.